Today, we're going to talk about a crucial aspect of gardening, soil suitability. Now, if you find yourself unsure about whether the soil in your garden or the soil you're planning to buy is suitable for planting, don't worry. We've got you covered. The first step is to consider having your soil tested by a professional. By doing so, you'll get a clear understanding of its quality and composition. This information is vital because it directly affects the success of your plants. So don't hesitate to reach out to a pro for assistance. Here are a few kinds of soil that are not good for your garden. Before we start this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. 1. Sandy soil. Sandy soil is made up of mostly sand particles. It drains very quickly, which means that water does not have time to soak into the soil and reach the roots of plants. This can lead to root rot and other problems. Sandy soil also does not hold nutrients very well, so plants may not get the nutrients they need to grow. 2. Clay soil. Clay soil is made up of mostly clay particles. It is very dense and does not drain well, which can lead to waterlogging. This can suffocate plant roots and prevent them from getting the oxygen they need. Clay soil also tends to be alkaline, which can make it difficult for plants to absorb nutrients. 3. Compacted soil. Compacted soil is soil that has been squeezed together so tightly that air and water cannot easily penetrate it. This can prevent plant roots from getting the oxygen and water they need. Compacted soil can also be difficult to dig in. 4. Alkaline soil. Has a pH of 7 or higher. It is often found in areas with limestone or chalk bedrock. Alkaline soil can tie up nutrients, such as iron and manganese, making them unavailable to plants. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies, which can stunt plant growth and make them more susceptible to pests and diseases. 5. Acidic soil. Has a pH of 7 or lower. It is often found in areas with sandy or peaty soils. Acidic soil can leach nutrients such as calcium and magnesium out of the soil. This can also lead to nutrient deficiencies. Additionally, acidic soil can make it difficult for plants to absorb phosphorus, which is an important nutrient for plant growth. I hope this information is helpful to you. Please share this video with your loved ones and subscribe to my YouTube channel.